In this video, I'll show you how you can put a video that you've created on Canva onto a USB flash drive. So right here I have a video project open in Canva. You can find your video project by going into projects and finding it, or you can create a new one. Now what you need to do is first, once you're on the project, go to share in the top right hand corner and then click on download. Then download as an MP4 video and just click on download. Now while this is downloading to your computer, you can plug in your USB flash drive. Now Windows may recognize that this is a flash drive and you've plugged it in. If not, no worries. Now what we can do is minimize Canva. We can then open up our File Explorer. So if you right click on File Explorer, open it once, and then go to Downloads. Here in Downloads, you should see your downloaded video you've just downloaded from Canva. Right click on it and then click on Copy. Once you've got it copied, you can then go to this PC on the left. Here you should see your USB flash drive you've just plugged in. Double click on it, right click, and then click Paste. You've now moved the video to your USB flash drive and you can safely eject it by going to the upwards arrow, right clicking on the flash drive, and then clicking Eject.